Everybody, happy Monday to you. This is part 2 of my FleetCon 21 model contest I was in. This is the car I took that got silver. It's painted kind of a root beer brown. Here's the chassis. And of course the engine is all wired. Plug wires are done. Carburetors. The lines running down underneath the engine into that block. So I took, this is number 2 that I took out of 4 to the auction, or to the model contest. You could only enter 6 cars. And I got a silver award with that one, which is very cool that I took gold and silver in the same class. I thought it was pretty cool. Which was a Street Machine. So there's that coin. If I don't drop and break it. So yeah, pretty cool silver coin. Once again, easy to display with the model instead of having another trophy to put on my shelf, because I've got about 50 of them and I'm running out of room. But yeah, so there's that, and then I'll show you another model I picked up while I was at that swap meet. And then my 67 Camaro. I took this car also. Once again, very clean build. Bare metal foil around all the chrome. Just very clean build. It's got a few spots in the paint, which is why I think it only got a bronze. But the red stripe that's on it is hand painted. That is not a decal. That's hand done. There's the underside, just very clean. Same thing under the hood. It was box stock build. Nothing fancy. But again, did the jugs and the battery. I mean, it's just clean. Clean build. Right out of the box. And that car got a bronze. Which, I mean, just to pull any kind of trophy, I feel humbled. Because there was probably 50 cars in that class that I was in. But, yeah, so there's another one. Alright, give me just a second now. We'll do an unboxing. So I picked up this huge Lindberg shrimping boat, 1/60th scale, made in the USA. I paid $25 for it, which I thought was fair. being it's still factory sealed. Here's that box art. Here's the back of the box. Gives you some ideas of what it looks like. It's a skill level 2. So I'm going to build this for my son because he loves Forrest Gump. But I think instead of writing the word Jenny on the back, I'll do his wife's name. So yeah, let's open this up, take a look. I hate to open a sealed kit, but I'm not a hoarder, I'm a builder. Hopefully it's in decent shape. I mean, it's a Lindberg kit, it can't be worth that much. Here's our instruction book. Boy, it's pretty simplified. Pretty simplified. Oh, it comes with the figures too. I didn't know that. Geez, only 11 steps. That's crazy. Shows us how to do all the rigging, which I'm going to do. It comes with the spool, which is cool. Glad that came with that. So here's one part of our hull. Here's the other part. It's going to be a decent sized boat. Want this together. Let's see, here's our life preservers, the stand, propeller, I don't know what that's for, maybe the smokestack for that. Make sure there's nothing else in this bag. Not a lot of parts to it. Here's the top of our boat. Here's our rigging. I'm glad that that's all one piece. That makes it a little easier. Our 3 figures, our wheelhouse, lifeboat, life preservers. Guessing maybe these are lanterns, I'm not sure. It's not a lot to this boat though. Here's another one of our figures. The figures are so small, I'd probably, well, maybe I'll try and paint them. It could be difficult, but I like that this mast is all one piece. That will make it a little easier to put together. And to tie all the rope and everything off. But yeah. A little bit of warpage. Hopefully when I glue that, I can... Or maybe I'll put something... Maybe it's supposed to be a little warped like that. It lays flat, so I'm not sure. I might have to lay something heavy on it, see if it'll straighten out. Here's our Suzanne decals. Yeah, I can't wait to build this and weather it up. Make it look really old. Like it's been on the water for a while. Hopefully it'll look good when it's all done. It's gonna be a pretty good sized boat though. Either way. But it'll look good all weathered and beat up. Rusty looking. So it's called the Corvette, and Chevrolet. I can't even pronounce that word. I like it. It gives you good areas how to for painting it. Gives you a good color guide. But it should look good when I get all the rigging tied where it's got to go. Yeah, so there we go. So in the next video, I've got two more kits I can show you guys that I got. One is a 1/24 scale P51 Mustang that I have a feeling it's going to be so big I don't know where I'm going to put it. But yeah, there we go. Lindberg's 1/60th scale shrimping boat. Cannot wait. It'll only be my third boat I've ever done. But I think it'll look badass when it's done. Alright, I know it's a little bit longer video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I earned you a like on it. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. And you guys have a great rest of your Monday. Bye.